Africa, a continent witnessing a phase of robust resurgence. India, a country on the path of rapid economic growth, connected together by history, geography and culture, and similar hopes and aspirations.
When I say we are entering a new phase in our relationship, it is important to note that this is a relationship based on economic partnership.
Blessed with a young and dynamic population, both geographies are best poised to complement each other. It is this spirit that India-Africa, a shared future initiative, celebrates. Conceptualized and managed by Idea Works Design and Strategy Limited and supported by the Public Diplomacy Division, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, India-Africa is adopting a unique approach to foster a people-to-people understanding. It offers a dynamic platform for students and young professionals to collaborate through competition, innovation and entrepreneurship, and a Young Visionaries Fellowship Program.
We wanted to energize the youth of India and youth from Africa and get them engaged with each other into thinking about each other.
India-Africa, a shared future, was launched at the 2011 ISEC International Congress at Nairobi, in the presence of youth leaders from over 100 countries.
The fact that this program has the potential to unleash the creative energy and the passion of young people is going to catalyze the relationship at a people-to-people level.
Many milestones have been crossed since. Premier institutions including Lagos Business School, University of Witwatersrand, ISB and NID have come on board as partners. The India-Africa campus outreach programs in Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia, South Africa, Mozambique and India have enabled students to express themselves and learn from young business leaders.
This is just the beginning of a major change which is going to come.
Irrespective of our experiences, we can still make the most out of our life.
I'm very touched, I'm very happy and honored to be part of this great initiative.
At some point, this will start adding value at a global level.
So I'm sharing my passion with you today to be able to make a difference.
Meet, collaborate and co-create a shared future.
While Indian bands like Parikrama and Indian Ocean have performed in Africa, bands from Congo and Morocco have enthralled the Indian youth. May 25th, 2012 saw the first ever public celebration of Africa Day in New Delhi. Interactive sessions have been organized in India with African diplomats and members of parliament, journalists, corporate leaders and entrepreneurs.
What I get is a statement of hope. Hope for Africa, hope for India and hope for the world.
It's about dreaming. Dream big. Don't limit it to where you are today.
So very often when the word entrepreneur is used, half the people get scared and say that couldn't be me. And nothing could be further from the truth.
Thus far, over 10,000 young people from Africa and India have joined the India-Africa network. Our Facebook community has grown to 125,000 plus.
For any relationship to be enduring, the bedrock has to be the people-to-people relationship.
The desire to compete, collaborate and co-create the future is catching on. Many have participated in the business plan, essay writing, photography and poster design competitions and the fellowship program for entrepreneurs.
India-Africa shared its story with the world at Davos in January during the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum. An awards function for competition winners, a unique India-Africa music medley featuring musicians from India and Ghana, presentations by winners, and a panel discussion on India, Africa and the world featuring young entrepreneurs from Africa and India and thought leaders.
When over 2 billion people start building a dream together, future histories will get scripted.
Let's be hardworking, let's be honest, let's be faithful, let's be diligent, and let's be consistent.
Support India-Africa. Partners shape the future.
If you want to go very fast, you go alone. But if you want to go very far, you go with people.